right, in the Sunday basket, we are going to reveal some invisible work. There's something written on this paper. It's invisible. We don't know what it is. What is the work that we are going to be diving into the Sunday basket? Oh, look at that. We need to maintain our reference binders. Oh, we're going to be learning about our reference binders today in the Sunday basket. Welcome back. The last couple of weeks, as we've been getting ready for our Sunday basket time, I've been introducing you to the different organized 365 binders. We've been talking about household operations and household reference, and that makes sense because we live in a house, so there's definitely paperwork that is related to that. Now this week we're going to talk about medical, and next week we'll talk about financial. Remember, I'm talking about slash packet number 5, the blue one in our red, orange, yellow, green, blue set of 1.0 slash packets. You can label this waiting for, and I label it for binders, meaning that once I'm done with the actionable, it goes in this slash pocket and it waits until I have time to put it away inside of my binders. This is how much we have left, you guys. I already put a few things in operations, a couple things of reference. I have this one itty bitty paper to put in medical, which means that next week we're covering all this. So you will definitely want to tune in for that one. But medical, luckily, there's not much I need to add to my medical binder right now. In the last couple of months, the only time I went to the doctor was to get these new glasses. They're from Costco. And this is my prescription for my glasses. Now, you need to take that to Costco if you get more glasses, and I don't know, I might get more fun ones. Actually, I have a copy of this also in my wallet, just so I have it when I'm out. Your medical binder is 1 per person. So this is my medical binder. It's not too thick because I have migraines, which are pretty much under control, and seasonal allergies. That's it. I am very, very blessed. You want to have 1 medical binder per family member, and then every once in a while, you're just gonna update the information that is inside of there. All right, it is that time to find out how many hours cumulatively has this magical little box made visible the invisible work that we're doing. Let's see. Last week, we were at 5.5 million hours saved. Are we at 5.6 million today? Oh, I don't know. The Sunday basket will save you 5 hours every week. Cumulatively, to date, we are just shy of 5.6 million hours. We are at 5,596,000. That's really close, you guys. 250 hours. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna say next week, I think we will be at 5.6 million hours saved for Sunday basket users. You could be one of those users too.